I want to introduce you to your new all-in-one funnel builder, blog, management system, your autoresponder, and your all-in-one business tool that you need. Now, before I show you it, if you go to Google and search for best funnel builder, or best system for blogging, or best blogging platform, best landing page system, you get inundated with dozens of different software. Whether you have ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Kartra, Keep, System-A, HubSpot, Thrive, Landy Unbounce, ClickFunnels, Kajabi, Lead Pages, Thrive Suites, Optimize Price, Builderall, Groove Funnels, Kartra, Tower, GetResponse Active Campaign, MailChimp, and so on. They're all fantastic. They're all really, really good. But the problem is, there's too many. And the price, the cost, almost all come at quite a hefty monthly fee. Like ClickFunnels is $150 a month. Kartra is $500 a month. Thrive Suite is $700 a year. Builderall $30, $40, $50 a month. If you add in the cost of the funnel builder system, and then the hosting and domain name and email, suddenly it runs into hundreds of dollars a year, sometimes thousands. Now, that in itself isn't really a problem if you're building a real business because, paying a few $100 a month isn't a big deal when you consider the potential of what you're building. If you compare it to, for example, System.io, which is the platform that I want you to use, I'll explain to you why. If you click the link below, you'll come to the landing page where you can create a free account. Click the link below, and you will see this page here. System has been around for a long time. The software is really good. They're very simple. It's very sleek, plain, outstandingly awesome, and that is the price. It's free, so you get 2,000 free contacts. You get unlimited emails. You get free sales funnels. You get a blog. You can do another blog post. You can sell courses. You can have your own community, add them to file storage. You can have your own workflow. You can have your own affiliate program, assistant accounts. Literally everything's here. Everything you need for free. $0. And I always thought, how the hell did they do that? That's insane. Now, obviously there are some small limitations, sales funnels. But the thing is, by the time you need that, then you can afford to pay for it. And even then, it's only $27 a month. Click the link below, come here, click on Get Free Account, and just simply put in your email. And then, hey, presto, you got a free account. Now, here's what I'm going to share with you. What's one of the big benefits are for you. When you log in, what I can do for you is I can share stuff with you with one click. So for example, here in blogs, here, I have a sort of a demo blog that I created. And what I can do for you is I can give this blog, this template to you with all the chats, GPT prompts, and templates for your Contact Me page, and About Us page. I can give you this template here with one click. This share, you click on this button here, download. It automatically is added to your account. That means you don't have to add all these pages. You don't have to add the content. You don't have to add anything at all. And the same goes for funnels. So let's say I have this funnel here. I can just give it to you. The full funnel. Here you have the squeeze page. Here you have the thank you page. Here you have the order page where people can place an order. And I can just give you this funnel, right? With one click. Click, share. You click here. Boom. Download. Job done. It's yours. So if I have a course here, like this one here, just a demo, I can go here. Boom. Share. And you can literally have that course for free in your account to sell as your own. Systema is cheap and simple. It has some limitations because it's free. You can upgrade to the monthly plan as needed. And even then, it's very cheap. And you get everything here. You don't need to buy an autoresponder. It's here. You don't need to buy a course creator. It's here. You don't need to buy a funnel builder. It's there. You don't need to buy anything. It's got payment integrations as well, everything. You even have your own affiliate program if you decide to run your courses. And the support is very quick and very good. So that is why I recommend this system for you. Please bear in mind when you join their Facebook group, there can be a bit of a spam where people post stuff in there just to build their list. So just take that with a pinch of salt. Take that as the price of entry for free. You can use for a long time and not pay a penny. The hosting is included. Everything's included. The HTTPS certificate, everything's there. So you can literally use this for months without paying a single penny. All you pay for is a domain name. And you need $1.50 a month for your email. That's it. Nothing else. Which makes this a really good solution for beginners. So jump on the link below. Jump inside and create an account. Can then import my template for the blog, and you can import the template for all the pages.